May I sign mallet?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 4 mallet.
Item
4 mallet. With consent of other side mallet, may I pray that this be listed after 2 week mallet.
you are the counsel for the
Petitioner mallet. Appellant mallet. Appellant.
on the prayer of Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the appellant, listed after 2 weeks.
Obligation.
Your Lordship,
Yes, please,
Your
ma'am.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 3. We received the council is out of his station, so we need more time. So matter will be listed after 3 weeks.
You are the counsel for the,
K. Lolan,
you are mentioning on behalf of
K. Lolan.
MS
My lord,
Senso.
this is behalf of the appellant side, and I took the consent from my side. I am the victim person, respondent number 2, Tawang Mondir. In this case,
Seeking for adjournment.
the appellant side.
MS Senso makes a mention on behalf of Mr. K. Lolan, the learned counsel for the appellant, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, maybe noted my attendance also. I am the legal aid counsel of the respondent number 2, victim
Mr.
father
Senso appears for the respondent number.
2, Tawang Mondir. I am the legal aid counsel M.
Appears for
Bakra.
the respondent number 2. Okay.
Much obliged.
Good.
My lord, I appear for respondent NSPC in this case. It seems that Mr. Dilip Mazumdar, the senior counsel, he is for the appellant, and yesterday I had talks with him. It seems he is having some personal difficulty. So due to which he could not, but then his junior is also not there.
You are
So,
the counsel for the,
my lord, for appellant, Mr. Dilip Mazumdar, yesterday he
you are
was
the
present.
counsel for the, you.
I am for the respondent
Ah.
NSPC. So, my lord, I had talks with him, so it seems that he is having some difficulties. So, my lord, then let it be adjourned for 4 weeks. Because I had told Mr. Mazumdar, in that eventuality, I'll be seeking 4 weeks adjournment.
Mr. Senso, learned
But,
counsel,
my lord, my presence may be shown because appellant is not there.
Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the respondent. Submits that Mr. Senso, the learned counsel for the appellant, has some personal difficulties and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after 4 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, service report to the respondent number 2 is still awaiting. My lord, I may be allowed to take press step through OCPS income.
You are the counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
By what means?
My lord,
By what means? Notice? By registered post or dusty? By what means you want to
My
take steps?
Etiquette pro,
Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the appellant, submits that he may be allowed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD as well as by usual process.
through my lord, OCPS Ying Kiong.
Registered AD through OCPS? Cancel that order. Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 through OC, which PS?
Ying Kiong PS, my lord.
Through OC Yukyong PS District Upper Siang,
Persian district.
Arunachal Pradesh. Prayer is allowed. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 through the OC Yukyong PS within a period of
My lord, 5 days.
within a period of 5 days from today. Steps for notice shall be routed through the registry of this court. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
I will-
Malad here, Union of India is the Malad appellant. In both the cases, Malad, both the cases are analogous, Malad, out of the same notification. So Malad here, I just, Malad, Malad, to appraise your lordship. If Malad, some other date may be accommodated for Malad, the final disposal, Malad. And
Mr.
moreover, my lord, this is a case wherein, my lord, fairly, my lord, I took more than 2 hours, 15 minutes to complete the, my lord, my submission. And after that, my lord, the matter has been kept for again for another date. So after that, my lord, since there is an electronic record, my lord, that record submission is also available. So therefore, my lord, this is subject to convenience on the part of the other, my lord, the senior counsel.
This is regarding acquisition of land.
My lord,
This is regarding acquisition of land.
my lord. My lord, what happened, in the, my lord, the honorable single bench, my lord, given the directions, my lord, to pass an order.
Yes, Mr. Estapin. Will you be gracious to grant him adjournment? Yes.
In fact, Your Lordship, this case has passed through so many honorable judges. Therefore, Justice Karda cannot take up this case, and then Justice Mehdi cannot take up the case. That way,
Justice Mehdi has passed.
Yes, my lord, if your order is passed, my lord.
and
Okay.
that's Your Lordship. So this bench on rotation, most of the time they are there. So we have been lingering this case because of the technicalities. So if my learned friend is asking for time, then
Okay, we give him the last 2 weeks' time. Let us hope that next time you will get a bench who can dispose of this case.
Madam, may I just submit for a moment, madam? Otherwise, madam, here nothing survives, madam. In the first round of litigation, madam,
That we will consider when hearing the case on merit. Okay. On the prayer of Mr. M. Kato, learned DSGI.
My lord, in that event, my lord, may I pray only one, my lord? Because pursuant to a Supreme Court's order in this particular case, my lord, in the first round of litigation, Supreme Court directed that, my lord, compensation amount has to be deposited before the Deputy Commissioner by the ITBP, and accordingly, the ITBP has deposited the compensation amount also, my lord. After depositing the compensation amount pursuant to the Supreme Court's order, they are again litigating, my lord. My lord, in that event, my lord, may I pray that, my lord, an observation may be made, my lord. Pendency of this irritable shall not be a bar to make the compensation.
They don't want to release the amount, that is why they have filed this appeal.
My lord.
No.
That is the whole cause.
This is the third round of.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so. Learned DSGI. Listed after 2 weeks. Stop. The adjournment is not objected to by the learned counsel from the other side. Okay.
Deeply obliged. my lord.
Lordship, can it be a fixed, there can be a fixed that.
Can you fix that, Mr.? Well, listed on fifth month.
My lord.
Instead
My lord, I'm
of
sorry, my lord. I'll be having personal difficulty on fifth, my lord. May I pray sixth, my lord.
listed on 6/3/2020.
My lord.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
it may please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, your lordship, of the supplementary hearing,
21. Where is 21?
supplementary hearing list, your lordship, 21. My lord, we are for the petitioner, your lordship.
Huh.
My lord, the leading counsel, Mr. Deepanjan, has some difficulty today, your lordship. Can the matter be listed after 2 weeks?
MS. Your D Tamuk?
Yes, your lordship.
D Tamuk. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. Mr. D Panging. The counsel leading the case has some difficulties and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed up accordingly.
My lord, I also beg to mention item number 2 and 4.
Two, one by one.
Item
Two?
number 2, your lordship, we are for the petitioner hearing.
Ah,
My lord, we have to file our rejoinder in this case, your lordship.
okay.
Can this matter be listed after 3 weeks?
MS D Tamuk, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks,
3 weeks, your lordship.
for 3 weeks,
Lordship, last chance.
to file rejoinder
Because-
affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord,
Last occasion also they have
I also,
prayed for the same.
Madam,
Last
just
chance.
give them a chance.
Last occasion also they prayed the same, Lordship.
Okay.
That's why. That
Lord-
also in.
I also beg to mention item number 4, your lordship.
Item 4. Okay. Yes, what is
In
your
this case also, we have to file our rejoinder, your lordship.
MS D Tamuk, the learned counsel for the petitioner? Seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks to file rejoinder affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, 16 and 17, your lordship.
15. Yes,
May it be fixed after 3 weeks, your lordship.
you are the counsel for the
Respondent, yes.
response. Mr. so and so. I Riram,
For, on behalf of Mr.
I
Iram.
Riram,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the learned counsel for the respondent. Six adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 on behalf of conducting counsel.
Item
8
number
20.
20.
20.
20.
Yeah, 20.
Yes. You are the counsel for the,
I on behalf of conducting counsel.
on behalf of the,
8 attack, my good name, GT Raju. Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station on medical grounds. Your Lordship, I consent from other parties also.
A Tadak.
Yeah, 8 attack, Adam Tatak. Your Lordship, it matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Mr. A Tadak is indisposed.
Your Lordship?
Is he indisposed?
No.
Is he sick?
Yeah.
Ah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
asking. Mr. So and so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. A Tadak, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks on the ground that the counsel for the petitioner is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Much obliged. My lord, I like to mention item number 14.
1-4.
1 4, yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Case 484. That's a bug.
Pardon?
Item number 14, sir.
Ah,
Ah,
I am here.
Okay.
Item 14. What is your prayer?
sir, it may be listed after 2 weeks.
You are the counsel for the
No, no, sir. The main counsel is out of station.
Mr. So-and-so,
M. Nivo.
learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Nibu, the counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that the learned counsel for the petitioner is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Most obliged.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 3,
Item
10,
number,
3,
ah,
10, 11, and 18.
one by one, let us go 3. 3.
3.
Yes, what is your prayer? 3.
Conducting counsel, I'm on behalf of Mr. P. Tapo. P. Tapo. Conducting counsel is out of stations.
Okay, MS so-and-so.
So this matter may be
Makes
listed
a
up.
mention on behalf of
Peter.
Mr. P. Tafo, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that the learned counsel for the petitioner is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Yes, next.
Item number 10, my lord.
What is that? What is your prayer?
This matter may be listed after 3 weeks. So,
You are the counsel for the
Mr. P. Tapo, on behalf of P. Tapo.
P. Tabo.
Tapo.
Item number 10.
10. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, P. Tafo. Okay.
May I,
MS
my lord?
so-and-so?
May I, my lord?
Yeah.
In this item, interim is there, my lord.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Mr. MS so-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. P. Tafo, the learned counsel for the respondent, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that Mr. P. Tafo is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay, next, ma'am.
Much obliged.
My lord, item number 11.
Ah. Same prayer.
Yes, same prayer. My lord.
Same. Okay. Okay.
My lord, item number 18 also.
18. Same prayer.
Same prayer.
This is on behalf of the respondent, ma'am. On behalf of respondent. Okay. Okay. Yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 on behalf of N.
1-3.
Yes, 1-3. On behalf of NPADA, the Standing Council for Tourism.
Pardon?
NPADA,
Item 13.
13.
Yes, what is your,
Kindly this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
and, learned counsel for, standing counsel,
Yes, Standing Council for the Tourism.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Pada, standing counsel tourism, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord, there is interim order, that may be continued.
So the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Obliged.
May I, Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 32.
Item
Number 32.
32.
Yes, in orders. Your Lordship, main case is fixed on 4th of March. So this IA may be fixed, taken up together on the 4th of March.
You are the counsel for the ma'am,
Galutai, petitioner.
petitioner.
Galutai.
You are Geli.
No, sir.
You are the counsel for the,
Galutai. Petitioner Galutai, sir.
you are mentioning on behalf of Geli Taye.
Yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
okay. MS so-and-so makes a mention on behalf, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Geli Taye, learned counsel for the applicant, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed.
4th of March. There is,
Six, adjournment of the case on 4/3/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
highly obliged.
Your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 1. This matter may be fixed for admission hearing. Rejoinder and affidavit have already been filed.
Let us see, let us see, let us. We will not give you the direct admission hearing and the motion stage.
Okay.
Let us see. Oh, what is it?
Please, Madam.
Yes, please.
Madam, I beg to mention item number 5 and 6 on behalf of M. Kato, my lord.
5 and 6.
Yes, my lord.
On behalf of
M. Kato, my lord.
M. Kato.
Yes, my lord.
M.
Here-
Kato was here.
Yes, my lord, but he instruct me.
My lord, I like to make a small submission. My lord, this already the government has filed their affidavit except the Union of India. And they have been taking adjournment since last April, since April last year.
Since
So
April
by
last
the
year?
next, yes, by
This is
by the
item,
5 and 6.
this is
Compensation matter, land
this is
compensation.
2023 case. How can the adjournment come last year? is
Since
20
last April, my lord.
Since last April, we are in February.
Yes, my lord. So the instruction, my lord. So
Yes,
government has already filed their affidavit and
Some time may be given to file affidavit, madam.
my lord, March
Mr.
6.
Mr.
as-
So-and-so makes a learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, the learned DSGI, and seeks adjournment of the case after 4 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord, fixed date, March 6, my lord.
Yeah, let them file affidavit. Let them file affidavit. Yes.
The privilege.
Obliged, my lord.
Number 24.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the respondent number 5 has issued a notice inviting tender that is 31st/10/2023 for supply and procurement of materials pertaining to Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme Works 2023-24 for the city block Nyapin under Kurunkume district for estimated cost in NIT was rupees 4,27,516 rupees. Lordship, the petitioner being the eligible contractor and supplier
with respect to the said tender, has participated in the tender work. And during the due period for Lordship declaration of tender evaluation result, the respondent authorities has not
May I interfere? ma'am?
thereafter
Same issue is listed tomorrow. Your lordship has passed one interim order. Here, the private respondent has filed a writ petition, my lord. Can it be taken up tomorrow, ma'am? Same block, same CD block, Nyapin order, same tender. Here in the writ petition, he is the private respondent. And in that case, he is the writ petitioner, my lord. The same issue, my lord, for same tender, my lord. Issue is bit different, but for same package, my lord. It is being listed tomorrow, my lord.
Who is the petitioner in the present petition?
Is, my lord, NK, Tako
Tako
Takia.
Takia.
NK
Tako Takia.
Tako Tagia.
Yes, ma'am. And in that case, JG Enterprise, ma'am.
Pass over for the day. Listed along with WPC 58/2024. Okay, we'll hear you tomorrow.
Okay, deeply obliged.
Obliged.
My lordship. Lordship, the factual matrix of the case is that I am assistant professor working in Department of Electronic and Communication Engineer Lordship in Rajiv Gandhi University, Lordship, Doimuk. Lordship, on 22nd March 2024, Lordship, I am going to get promotion from assistant professor to assistant professor selection grade level 12, Lordship.
How are you sure, sir?
Lordship, it's automatically it's happened, Lordship. Because in
Promotion automatic?
yes, in
I've
2000,
never heard of that.
Lordship, 2016, Lordship, I was appointed in assistant professor. And
You are
again,
eligible for promotion.
yes,
You
Lordship.
can never be automatic
Yes,
promoted.
yes, Your Lordship. I will be eligible for promotion, Lordship, in selection grade, Lordship, level 12. Lordship. So for that, Lordship, there are certain criteria are there, Lordship. I have to at least go 2 weeks training, Lordship, in any industrial training, Lordship. In reputed organization, I have to go industrial training, Lordship. For that, Lordship, I have approached this Banaras Locomotive Works, that is in Varanasi, Lordship. So that the Deputy General Manager of that industry has instructed me to get a letter from the concerned authority where I am working, Lordship. So, Lordship, I have write a letter to the concerned authority, Lordship. It's in Annexure 4, Lordship, page 20, Lordship. May I, Lordship?
Yes, please.
To the Registrar Rajiv Gandhi University, Rono Hills, Doimuk, seeking a letter for industrial training of 2 weeks at Banaras Locomotive Works, Varanasi. Madam, sir, this is to inform you that as per AICTE Regulation 2019, a teacher of engineering discipline should have completed minimum training requirements of 2 weeks for promotion from assistant professor senior scale level 11 to assistant professor selection grade level 12, Lordship. Now I am in, Lordship, senior scale level 11, Lordship. As per the aforesaid regulation, my promotion from assistant professor senior scale level 11 to assistant professor selection grade level 12 shall be due after 21/3/2024. Therefore, I seek a letter in this regard from your office as per the pro forma attached in the Annexure A, Lordship. This is the letter which I have written to the concerned respondent authorities, Lordship. And to my letter, Lordship, Annexure 5, Lordship, page 21. The respondent authorities has replied me, Lordship. To Dr. Kurmendra, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Rajiv Gandhi University, Rono Hills, Doimuk. Subject, permission to attend industrial training regarding your letter number nil dated 31/2024. Sir, while inviting reference to the letter number cited above, it is to inform you that The authority has not approved your request to attend the industrial training of 2 weeks at Banaras Locomotive Works, Varanasi, Lordship. This is the Lordship reply for,
Are you impugning this letter? Are you impugning this letter?
yes, Lordship. So Lordship, here Lordship, the responding authorities have not cited any reasonable justification that why I should not attend industrial training, Lordship. This is clear violation of Lordship, Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution, Lordship. My fundamental rights has been violated, Lordship. So Lordship, and Lordship, there is no any specific notification that the respondent, there is no any specific notification for industrial training. In fact, Lordship, those who are teaching in engineering department, they have to approach certain industries, Lordship, for training, Lordship.
That is a requirement for promotion.
This is a requirement, Lordship. There is in annexure, Lordship, annexure 2, Lordship. This is the rules and regulation according to All India Council for Technical Education, 2019
Page?
notification, page 16, Lordship. Page 16, Lordship. This is the criteria. This is the notification by All India Council for Technical Education. Here, Lordship, page 17, Lordship.
Page 6.
Page 16 is the, yes, yeah. And page 17 is the relevant portion, Lordship. B, Lordship, qualification for assistant professor, selection grade level 12, entry pay 79,800 for promotion of incumbents. So, Lordship, suppose B, Lordship, here should have completed minimum training requirement as per annexure 3, Lordship. That annexure 3 is, Lordship, in page 18, Lordship. In page 18, Lordship, here, down below, Lordship, first is for assistant professor senior scale, Lordship. I am in senior scale, and just below that, Lordship, for assistant professor selection grade, Lordship. Completion of following training requirements at the level of assistant professor senior scale, Lordship. So, Lordship, here, Lordship, in the last line, Lordship, for assistant professor selection grade, Lordship, complete minimum 2 weeks of relevant industrial training, professional training, Lordship. This is the criteria which I have to fulfill, Lordship. Otherwise, I won't be able to promote in selection grade level 12, Lordship. For that, Lordship, I have written a letter to the concerned authority also, and the concerned authority has just replied that had not approved, Lordship. There is no justification, no reason.
You are now assistant professor.
Senior skill.
skill. And
Level-
you will be eligible for promotion to assistant professor selection grade.
Yes, Lordship. Level 12, Lordship. Now I'm in level 11.
Yes, why you have not given him the permission to go for training?
My lord, there is a decision from the Academic Council in the year 2023 that any person can go for training in vacation period. That is summer holiday is there, winter holiday is there. That decision has been taken by the Academic Council.
On which rule you are making this
The
submission?
Academic Council is the highest body, the autonomous.
So what? If it is the highest body, they cannot act arbitrarily. There must
No.
be some rules to support your submission.
The decision taken by the Academic Council itself is rules, my lord, in the university. There is two kind of bodies there. One is Executive Council, one is Academic Council. The decision taken by the Academic Council and
You mean to say that the gospel, the decision taken by the academic council is the gospel truth?
no, my lord, the rights has not been curtailed, my lord. The university is ready to give, but his due is in the year
It's a question of his
2026, my
promotion.
lord. 2026 is due.
You come with instruction within 3 days.
Yes.
Yes,
No,
Lordship.
after 1 week, my lord. I will also,
And will dispose of on that day.
yes.
This is a matter of promotion.
No, his due is in the year 2026, not 24.
He says 24.
No.
He is
It is the
eligible for promotion
2020,
up
it
to
is in
March.
the records, so I will place it.
Lordship, then let them come with the affidavit, Lordship. This time notice may be issued, Lordship.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so? The learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. New paragraph. The petitioner. Is presently serving as assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communications.
Lordship, engineering also is there. Communications and engineering.
In Rajiv Gandhi University, Rono Hills, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Duimukh, Arunachal Pradesh. It is the case of the petitioner that he will be eligible for promotion from assistant professor to assistant professor selection grade level 12. By the month ending March 2024. It is also the case of the petitioner that for promotion from assistant professor to assistant professor level 12, there is a requirement for industrial training for 2 weeks. As per the guidelines laid down by the All Indian Council for Teacher Education. correct?
Technical,
For technical education.
technical education. Lordship.
Stop. The petitioner has accordingly approached the Banaras Locomotive Works for undergoing the industrial training for 2 weeks. And the deputy general manager of Banaras Locomotive Works has instructed the petitioner to get a letter from the concerned authority, from the concerned authority of the Rajiv Gandhi University, where the petitioner is presently serving. Stop. The petitioner has accordingly submitted the letter dated 31/20/24 to the register, Rajiv Gandhi University, Rono Hills, Duimukh, Arunachal Pradesh. Seeking for a letter to undergo the industrial training for 2 weeks at Banaras Locomotive Works, Varanasi. Stop. However, by the impugned letter dated 7/2/2024, written by the joint register, academic and, what is this CONF? CONF. Academic and, you, ma'am, you see this, okay? It is all written in short, ACN, so and so. Dated. No. By the just with joint register, academic and so and so. That is the respondent number 4. The application submitted by the petitioner for undergoing the industrial training for 2 weeks at Banaras Locomotive Works, Varanasi, has been rejected. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that no reason has been stated as to why his application for undergoing the training has been rejected. Stop, Nipara. Issue notice to the respondents. You are representing all the respondents?
Yes, sir.
It's renewable in 4 weeks' time.
Lordship, 4 weeks will be too long, Lordship.
You have prayed for that. I was saying, let him come with instructions within 3 days.
No, Lordship, I have
You
said,
said, give him notice, let him file affidavit.
Lordship, I have said 3 days, Lordship.
Okay.
Because Lordship, before 20th February, I have to submit my application, Lordship, to this industry, Lordship. Again, that industry.
You are making a submission as if you have a right to be promoted. You do not have any right. You are only eligible to be considered. It's all right. Returnable in 3 weeks' time. You are the standing counsel?
Yes, my.
Mr. So-and-so? Learned standing counsel? Rajiv Gandhi University.
Yes, ma'am.
Appears on behalf of all the respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel within a period of 3 days.
Yes, Lordship.
Within a period of
I have furnished, Lordship.
3 days from.
My lord, it should be after 1 week now. I will be out of station.
I am giving you 3 weeks.
Oh, 3 weeks. Okay.
You come with instructions after 3 weeks.
All right, Lordship.
Yeah, what is this?
My lord. My lord, this is no motion confidence motions against the Gram chairpersons of the under the Arunachal Pradesh Panchayat Raj Act. My lord, I am a Gram chairpersons of Tator Tani 3 under 9 Ansal block. 9 Ansal block of the Upper Subansiri district. My lord, fact of the case is like this. Under the section 63 clause 1 is not complied by the member secretary, my lord. We have 4 Gram Panchayat member, my lord. 4 Gram Panchayat members of Tator Tani 3. I'm including of me, we have 4 elected Gram chairpersons. I'm elected as a Gram chairperson. 4 Gram Panchayat members. I am also Gram Panchayat members. Among that, I am a Susan elected as a Gram chairpersons. Now, my lord, very
Whether
surprised.
actually Gram Panchayat of a village or of what place?
My lord, Gram Panchayat village. Gram Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat,
Gram-
which village?
That old Lida
All Lida.
village.
So all Lida village has 5 Gram Panchayat.
Four Panchayat.
4,
Yes, my lord.
including you or
Yeah,
excluding you?
including me.
Including
me.
you.
Yes,
4 Gram Panchayats.
yes, my lord.
And out of this 4 Gram Panchayats, you are appointed as the
Gram chairperson.
chairperson.
Yes, my lord.
Chairperson of the, or what do you call, chairperson of the Gram Panchayat?
Gram Panchayat, my lord.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, my lord, now under section 63 of clause 1, Panchayat Raj Act 1997 says that
That is a Arunachal Panchayat Act or
yes,
Central
yes,
Act.
yes, my lord. Yes,
Okay, okay.
Arunachal Panchayat
Yes.
Raj Act. This clause says that if the Gram Panchayat member want to remove their Gram chairperson, it should be not less than 1/3 members of the Gram Panchayat members.
So 1/3 of 4 members will be
3 members.
3 members.
3 members.
1/3 of 4 members will be 3
One is-
members.
My lord,
1/3 of 4 members will be how many members?
4 out of 4 members,
You are saying under section 63,
63.
1/3 is required
1/3 is
to remove the chairperson.
for the move,
To move, no
uh,
confidence motion.
yeah, for the no motion competence.
So that's why I'm asking you.
Yes, yes, my lord.
You say you have 4 Gram Panchayat.
Yes,
So out of this 4 Gram Panchayat, 1/3 would mean
me.
1/3.
Yeah, 1/3,
1/3 to move the no confidence motion
Yes, yes.
will be one person. Am I right? Or
Yes.
2?
1/3. 1/3 means, my lord, 1/3 is just like 1 into 4.
So you tell me the
4
number.
divided by 3. That is
4
1.
members,
Yes.
4 members.
Yes.
How much will be 1/3?
1/3 here is case is the 2 is required. 2 is required. At least because move for the 2 is required, my lord.
2 Gram Panchayat required.
Yeah, 2
To
members.
move that no confidence motion.
Yes, my lord. Then clause 3 says that for the removal of that Gram chairperson is required for the not less than 2/3 of majority. 2/3 of majority. My lord, please.
No.
Yeah,
Let us understand this Arunachal Panchayat.
Yes, my lord.
So 2/3 majority will be 3.
3 is required for the removal of that Gram chairpersons. My lord, here case is difference here. But very surprised is that member secretary issue a notice
And who is the member secretary?
that the member secretary is the circle officer, my lord.
Okay,
Circle
he is an executive officer.
Yeah, he is executive officers and circle officers come member secretary of the Panchayat Raj Act. Theo, any circle officers is become a automatic as a member secretaries of the Gram Panchayat members, my lord. Yeah. Here is, my lord, very surprising is that the member secretary is not compliant of the under section
63 clause 1 of the Arunachal Pradesh Raj Act 1997. So,
Member
where-
secretary is not what? Is not authorized.
he is issue a notice. Member secretary is issue a notice to move the no motion confidence and the notice served to the before all the Panchayat elected members,
Is it
And
not
it-
permissible?
including me, my lord.
Is it not permissible? For the member secretary to issue notice?
Yes, my lord.
Is it not permissible under the act?
No, member secretary can issue a notice, my lord. But it should be not less than 1/3 of the members should be complained before the member secretary. Member secretary should be receive the complaint from the 1/3 member of the elected member from that Gram Panchayat member. But in this case, my lord, interference of the honorable MLAs, interference of the PRO, public relation officer of the honorable MLAs, they are the call to Gram Panchayat members. Forcefully, you sign it. Otherwise, without the draw a meeting, my lord, without the call a minute of draw a minute of meetings, they have forcefully signed a, my lord, note sheet. So that the honorable MLA also pressure to the member secretary for issue a notice for the conduct of no motion confidence. My lord, this is notice is very defective. This is not procedure of law as per the act, my lord. That is only for notice, I selecting only for notice of the issue by the member secretary, my lord. Whereas this notice is not mentioning the any complaints, any complaint from the members, Gram Panchayat members.
Any complaint?
Not any complaint from any Gram Panchayat members out of the 2 members, out of 4, I'm the last person, at least 2 members should be signed to the notice complaint before the member secretary for moving of the no motion confidence. But notice is, my lord, not mention the any complaint from the Gram Panchayat member of the elected Gram Panchayat member. That is my challenging of the my cases, my only, my lord. Yes, that. But please see that the notice is very clear cut that there is no any complaint has received from the elected Gram Panchayat members.
Let's see the notice.
My lord, please. My lord, Annexure 3,
Page?
page 14, my lord.
1/4. 1/4.
Yes,
Page 1/4.
yes, 1/4, my lord. 14, 1/4, my lord. Yeah, my lord, notice that. My lord, may I read out?
Just wait, just
Yes.
wait. Let me.
The pursuant to the
Just-
provision of
Just
the.
wait, don't rush things.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let me also follow you. Yes, please.
Yeah, yes, my lord. My lord, notice, pursuant to the provision of the Arunachal Pradesh Panchayat Raj Act 1997, specifically Section 63, which outlined the process of the initiate and the considerations of the motions of no confidence against the chairpersons, Gram Panchayat hereby schedule special meeting discussions and motions of no confidence motions, Gram chairpersons, Tator Tani 3, Gram Panchayat segments has been the purpose. Here requires numbers of directly elected members of the Tator Tani Gram Panchayat members. Meeting details are hereby follow 12/2/2024, time 10 a.m. and Binu office chambers of undersigned. Please be reminded that according with the Section 63 of the Arunachal Pradesh Panchayat Raj Act, the chairperson shall not proceed over the meetings. However, they retain the right to participate in the proceedings, including the right to speak.
Therefore, elected the Gram Panchayat members of the Tator Tani 3 Panchayat Raj Panchayat segments are requested to make every effort and attend the meetings positively. My lord, this is
This
the,
notice has been issued as duly proposed by the required number of directly elected members.
yes, my lord.
So what's wrong with this notice?
Yes, my lord, but here is at least the mention, the name of the complainants, name of the mover should be mentioned. What I mean is that, my lord, mover should be mentioned. Who are the movers of this, name of this, under section 61? Here mentioned is the 63. 63 clause 1, at least mover should, name of the mover should be mentioned, my lord. But here is not mentioned. Who is the movers? I am also confused, my lord. Who is against for me, my lord? I am confused. Name of the mover should be mentioned, my lord. My lord, even also dated, my lord, please say that is 5 February 2024. Thereafter, my lord, I representation submitted before the member secretary, whereas I am not served the notice also, my lord. Surprisingly, I got the notice from the Dumpurjo hashtag of the WhatsApp group, my lord, which was posted by the PRO of the Honorable MLA, my lord. My lord, please see the annexure, my representation, page, my lord, 16. Page 16 is my representation, my lord. Please, my lord, see. Page 16, my lord, is my representations.
This representation is
Yes,
dated.
yeah.
It is dated.
That is my lord, 9/2/2024.
Where is it?
9/9.
Where is it? Where is the date?
That, my lord, please see that this member, to the member secretaries, 9 Kusar Answer Block, dated Dumpur Jyoti 9 February 2024.
9 February.
Yes, my lord. Yes. May I read, my lord? My lord, here is a prayer for extension of the death of the no motion confidence motions against to the Gram Chairperson Tator Tani 3 Gram Panchayat segments. Respected Chair, with most respectfully and humble submission, I beg to state that, sir, I am the prayer for your higher authority for extension of the death or no motion confidence against the Gram Chairperson of Tator Tani 3, because still I am not get any order copy in against to no motion confidence till that. As I am surprising seen in the social media, Dumpurjo asked the WhatsApp group, which was circulated and sent by the Mahir Reddy on 9 February 2024 at 2 p.m. Through media, I came to know that your good office passed an order on 5 February 2024, but still I am not got the order copy of the order copy or hard copies. Next paragraph. Sir, as per the norms of the 1/3 of the Gram Panchayat, Gram member should move and the no confident motions who were mover in this context, their name should be reflected as per the rule of the Panchayat Act. Therefore, sir, it is my earnest request you kindly extend the death of no motion confidence against the Gram Chairperson Tator Tani 3 Gram Panchayat segments. Yeah, this is my lord representation. I was submitted before the 9. 9 was the my lord I think Saturday Saturday and the 10 was the Sunday. Today is the 12. Thereafter, my lord, again the corrigendum was issued by that learned member secretary against after that. My lord, please see the annexures 5 page 17 is corrigendum issued by the member secretary again. Corrigendum issued by the 9 February 2024 and Saturday hours and late night. Here, my lord, here again fixed for the 14 February, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the again fixed for the, my lord, here said that, my lord, 14. Today is 13, tomorrow fixed. I am here in court, but tomorrow matter is fixed in the motion. My lord, share Here, my lord, yeah,
Why don't you like participate in the no confidence motion?
my lord, actually, that is some
If
defective.
you have the majority of the members support,
Yes. Yes, my lord, actually, actually, this is the system of the political party. We are the same political party. Not, at least we move for the free and fair system, but not for the post of the any political, like MLAs and ministers like this. We are the elected bodies. We are the Indian bodies and the local government, local governing bodies. We should be give chance to discussion for the matters before the forums, any meetings, but here is not giving a chance to me due to interference of the some political parties. My lord, this is my submission, I am pregnant submission that Muslim, I am not objection, my lord. Anytime it may be called, but give me opportunity for the convenience meetings before my Gram Panchayat members, before the elected members. But here is, without giving me, order was passed on the 5 February. Order was again circulated by the 9 February on the social
No.
media.
this notice only conveys to initiate a no confidence motion against you. It is
Yeah.
only a proposal
Yeah,
to initiate a no confidence motion
Yeah.
against you.
yeah.
So if you still want to retain the chairpersonship,
Yes.
then let the members decide.
Yes, my lord, so that I want to give more times for
Why
the,
more time to manipulate?
not manipulate, my lord, not like this, my lord. But here is that I written the clearly is my here petition copy. The involvement of this such a my lord, please see this page 6 and paragraph 5. Paragraph 5. My lord, yeah, the petitioner is notice not being duly served upon me in the respondent number 3, the member secretary on being pressure and malafide intention by the present sitting MLA, Shri Rodebui has success in issue a notice of the no motion confidence motion. It was only 9/2/2024 that petitioners came to know that about the notice through the social media WhatsApp group of Public Relation Officer PRO Shri Mahir from his cell phone number so and so in WhatsApp group Dumpurjo Aastak, my lord.
Let us see that notice again. Let us see that notice, which is at page 14. Let us see that. Please read the second last paragraph. Second last paragraph.
Sorry, notice.
Yes, please be reminded.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Read it.
Please be remind that according with the section 63 clause 3 of the Arunachal Panchayat Raj Act, Gram chairperson shall not be present over these meetings. However, they retain the right to participate in the proceedings, including the right to speak, my lord.
So you also have a right to vote.
Yeah.
You are not only, you cannot only preside.
Yes, my lord, that time I cannot.
But you have a right to vote, you have a right to
can-
participate, you have a right to speak.
Yes, man. But my lord, this time I cannot be convinced with my Gram chairperson of my elected Gram.
You are still the chairman.
Yeah, I am a chairman, my lord. So I am a chairman. They want to be removed from me because of the pressure of that MLAs and some other political party, they want to remove to me. So,
Yes, Mr. Tappan.
so my lord,
Tappan.
This morning I have spoken to this member secretary.
Ah.
Then I received the instruction. This is the instruction. Out of 4 members lawsuit, because this particular unjust segment, it has 4 gram members lawsuit. Out of 4 lawsuit, 3 have already moved. Name of the 3 persons are there lawsuit. As per section 63 lawsuit, the members has to move the lawsuit motion. And this is only the intimation to the member secretary. And member secretary by this is only convening the meeting only lawsuit. Basing on this particular lawsuit, noticed by the 3 members lawsuit, the member secretary has convened the meeting lawsuit. There's nothing wrong lawsuit.
You give it a copy?
Yes, no issue. I can.
You don't have any extra copy?
Extra copy, I got Xerox this morning. No, WhatsApp I got it. It's okay. Lord.
Make Xerox copy.
my lord, may I submission for the regarding of this matter, my lord?
Yes.
For you. Yes, my lord, I have clearly talked with them by telephonic and personally meet. The signature all of the facts was prepared by the PRO. That is the-
Signatures are fact.
Yeah, signature of this, all the Gram Panchayat.
Then you challenge this.
No, my lord.
If you are alleging that signature is fact, you have to challenge this.
Yes, my lord, as per the statement made by the before that the member secretary, when I talk with the telephonic talk with these members, I supposed to filing RTI, but due to shortage of time, motion is tomorrow. I have no time for the obtaining of such a document.
No, I think we will not be issuing any.
My lord, so that this all this.
We will only say that any action taken on the basis of notice shall be subject to the outcome of this.
My lord, as per this, though this prepared by the PRO, they have the call by signature, but they refuse. But they put the order the brothers sisters, all the village, this is village combined village, they have under to put the signatures, the telephonics. My submission may be recorded, my lord.
We'll record. I have taken down your submission.
So that, my lord, my humble prayer is that they give a chance. After all, we are the same political parties. At least give what the proper notice may be issued. No motion confident in near future and within 10 days, after 1 month also. I'm not.
See, on the basis of the letter moving the no confidence motion, notice
Yes,
has been
ma'am.
issued. I think all the procedures have been followed correctly.
Yeah.
And it seems that you do not enjoy the majority of the Gram Panchayat members. You
My
do not
lord.
have their support.
Yes,
That is
my
the
lord.
only obvious reasons I can see.
But my lord, what I law says that section 63, clause 1 should be mentioned, at least the movers. But this notice is my lord defective as per law. What I might claim is that.
The notice may not say that, but there is already a letter.
Even
Moving
also-
that no confidence motion against
Even
the
also-
Panchayat members.
Even also, my lord, as per the law says, the 7 days should be given times, as per law said. But here is modifications, those 7 days is notices are, at least 7 days time should be given, my lord.
When was the notice? given
Notice
to
was
you?
issued on 5th lawsuit.
On 5th,
My
on
fifth,
5th
but I did not receive the money.
February.
I am only for the board, my submission is that, my lord, the 9 February through social media, Dumpur is asked, my lord. But again, I complained laws before the member secretary, my lord. They again modified, I was complained laws representation before the 9 February is, again, notice is issue, Koreanism is issue 14. That is not from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, only for 2 days. Only days not counted, my
I think it's more than 7 days.
from 9.
No, from 5th. It has to be counted from 5th.
I
9th
think-
is only a corrigendum.
My lord, my issue is I have not received any copy from that duly served for notice from me, from the member secretary, my lord. This is my,
Yes, this is a new subject for me. Let me pass the order in the chamber, but well,
as you
maybe I think we will have to give time to the
Yeah,
government to file their
okay.
affidavit without any.
my lord, give a chance for the one more times for convincing meeting. Only
Any
my
action
prayer-
taken will be
my
subject to the
suggestion,
outcome
my
of this written petition.
lord.
Okay?
Okay.
If somebody is selected, okay, but if you ultimately come out successful in this case, then you may have that right to again occupy that place. Yes, okay, for orders.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to transfer. I am challenging the interim transfer order basically on two grounds. The first ground is that the interim transfer order is in violation of the transfer policy guidelines of 1998. And
What is the transfer policy?
Lordship, it is page number 31.
Just explain.
It says that before concluding 2 years,
Before
concluding 2 years,
completing 2 years.
yes, no transfer should be made. Here in my case, I have been transferred out only after 20 days.
Only after?
20 days. And another ground is the interstate transfer is being made between two unequal officers. I am the regular DVO and the other officer is only
The
veterinary
government has
officer.
given him that officiating charge. What wrong is there?
No, Lordship, it's a regular. And in this case, Lordship, our own division bench in the month of August already decided this matter.
Hmm.
It's a very similar matter,
Your case.
very similar nature,
Hmm.
same nature.
Hmm.
In that case also, after 20 days, he was, the transfer order was modified. And for other ground, Lordship, that unequal officers by the coordinate bench of our own High Court,
Hmm.
the already decided matter, ditto matter, Lordship.
Hmm.
So can I take your Lordship to the transfer order, implement transfer order? Page number 24.
Page number
24.
24.
Yes. Kindly see. Name of the officers, such and such. DVO Changlang. This is in charge. Kindly note, Lordship. This is in charge DVO. His substantive post is veterinary officer, not district veterinary officer. And number 2 is the petitioner, who is the regular DVO. He has been regularized by the DPC in the year 2021. He was already holding, the respondent number 3 was already holding in charge DVO Changlang. And he has been
What is DVO?
district veterinary officer,
District?
veterinary officer.
Hmm.
And now may I take a Lordship to page number 17, annexure 1.
DVO this Ojuli.
Ojili Moyong.
I see DVO. He is the
In charge.
respondent. He is the
Respondent number 3, private respondent. And his substantive post is veterinary officer, not DVO.
In charge, I see DVO.
Yes. May I take a
Okay,
Lordship to page
Upang-
number 17?
So. What is REPBF?
That is regional exotic pig breeding farm.
Regional
Regional exotic pig breeding farm.
regional exotic pig breeding farm.
Yes.
Loilang.
Loilang Tezu, that is in the Lohit district.
To be retained at the same place of posting.
Now, may I take a Lordship?
This is the impugn order?
This is the impugn order. I was transferred.
Just wait, don't rush things. This is the impugn order?
This is the impugn order.
So by this impugn order,
I have been retained as manager
present
in my
place of
previous post of-
posting,
Yes, in my previous.
you are
post-
retained at Loilang.
Yes,
Loilang.
yes. I have already joined at Pasigat. Now let's kindly come to page number 17.
17.
Yes. I'll go by seriatim. This is annexure 1. Page number 17. Lots of got it. This is on the recommendation of Departmental Promotion Committee, meeting of which was held on 31st May 2021. The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to promote the following officers to the post as mentioned against their names in the level 11 of such and such on the pay matrix plus NPO under the rules from 10 with effect from the date of DPC, that is 31/5/2021. Now let's come to serial number 11. Serial number. This is the petitioner who has been regularized as District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer. Serial number 11. So accordingly, Lordship, by,
This is promotion.
yes,
Promote-
TPC, regular promotion.
Promoted to Deputy Director, District Animal, DAH.
District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer. This is the higher post of District Veterinary Officer.
This is equivalent to Deputy Director.
No, yes, Lordship, Deputy Director. Now, Lordship. Page number 19.
Page?
Number 19, 19. Here, the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order transfer and posting of the following district animal husbandry and veterinary officers or equivalent rank officers under the Department of Veterinary and Dairy Development in the Ministry of Public Health. My name reflects here at page, serial number 5 as manager, retained as manager REBF Loilang. So I was posted in this place since May 2021. Loilang.
Since
May 2021.
this is August.
No, Lordship, retained. Kindly see retained. After the promotion, regular promotion, I was posted at Loilang as manager pig farm by page number 7.
So what you mean to say is that you have been posted at Loilang
Yes,
as DAHVO
yes,
since 31st May 2011,
21.
21.
Yes. Now, Lordship.
This is 2011.
No, sir, 21, 2021.
See your page 17?
No, sir, it's Lordship, I'm talking about page number 19.
No, page 17.
Yeah, but promotion was given as 31st May 2021.
But this is a order dated
No,
31
Lordship,
May.
it's a typical mistake because it's a typed one. The original one is a page number 16. Page number 16. It's 21 only. It's a typography mistake.
Okay.
21. So by
31 May.
31st May. So by Annexure 3, page number 20.
One, just wait. Page 16. Page 16 is.
Thereafter, Lordship.
Yes. This 31 May 2021, you were posted as
Manager?
DAH and VO Upper Subansiri.
No, I was posted by virtue of this promotion. I was posted at Upper Subansiri, but I was already working as manager pig farm in charge at Loilang. So I was retained by page number 19. That is the first transfer order. I was never released, Lordship, from Loilang. So I was retained as manager. So since 31st May 2021, I was serving as manager pig farm. This which is equivalent post of DVO.
The record does not say that you were working at Loilang since 31st May 2000.
No, Lordship, the page number 19, the transfer order clearly says retained as manager. Since I was already working there, that's why I was retained. Even if so, Lordship, this order is 4 August 2021, more than 2 years past. Because we are in February 2024. Further, Lordship. Page number 20. Page number 20. This is my latest order, 16 January 2024. In the interest of public service, the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order a transfer and posting of the following district AHN veterinary officer and its equivalent post under the Department of AHN Veterinary and Dairy Development as shown below against each place. This is a petitioner present, manager, pig farm, 2, DVO Ishyang. Now, what is written, Lordship? Dr. Such and such will hand over the charge of manager Loilang to Dr. Such and such DIO Teju till posting of regular DIO. Since the incumbent of Ishyang was already retired, so there was no vice in this order, no inter transfer, single transfer. So I was posted as regular DVO for Ishyang district by page number 20. Then thereafter, Lordship, page number 21, I was released on 18 January. I was released on 18 January.
Lower Swansea stands released.
Thereafter, Lordship, I have joined Ishyang district as DVO, regular DVO by page number 22. This is my joining report. On 19th of January, I have joined my new place of posting. Therefore, Lordship, page number 23 is the certificate of transfer charges. I have been given charge also on dated 29 January. So I was functioning fully as DVO. I was discharging my duties as DVO. Thereafter, the impine order comes. Thereafter, the impine order comes on 6th of February. I have
Page?
already 6th
Page?
of February.
Page?
24, Lordship, the impine order.
Page 24.
I have been replaced by an officer who is not equivalent.
Okay, those are the facts.
Yes.
What is the ground of your transfer?
Lordship, first
Ground
ground,
of
yes, Lordship, transfer and policy guidelines, which is page number 31. The type copy is at page number 34.
31.
Page number 31. 31 is the original, which is illegible. So type copy is of 34. Lordship, here clause E.
Just wait, page. This is the transfer policy?
Yes, policy. This is of 98, Lordship. Here it says 3 years at clause B.
Clause B, all
Yes.
postings.
Including those in the secretariat, in the office of the heads of department and in the districts, should be normally for a period of 3 years for the sake of continuity. That has been amended by order dated 19 December 2008.
You have not completed 3 years in your whole place of posting.
Already completed, Lordship.
You have completed only 2 years.
Lordship?
Only 2 years.
No, Lord, that is amended by 2008. Now it is 2 years. Earlier it was 3 years.
No. What I mean to ask you is that, have you completed 3 years of posting in your old place?
Yes.
You have completed?
Yes. No. In earlier place of posting already.
Loilang.
Loilang.
Have you
That's why
completed 3
I've been
years?
transferred.
Have
No.
you completed 3
I've
years?
completed 2 years and 8 months. Because the new circular says it is 2 years instead of 3 years.
Okay.
That is page number 37. Type copy is at page number 38. My first ground. Page number 30 is the type copy. Here it says, in partial modification of this office, circular number 2 June 1998, which is page number 34, regarding policy guidelines on transfer and posting of all categories of officers and staffs in Arunachal Pradesh, the governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order that the tenure of posting in all government posts shall be 2 years instead of 3 years with immediate effect. So this is the modification. Now, this has been reiterated by a circular
Just wait.
in the year 2021. So 3 years has been made 2 years now. So although there is circular and order, departments are not, they are not observing this. So again on 2021, page number 40, type copy. The government of Andhra Pradesh Department of Personnel, the chief secretary, the circular is in inviting a reference to the government order number 2nd June 1998 and amended order thereof 19/12/2008 regarding policy guidelines on transfer and posting of all categories of officers and staff under the government of Arunachal Pradesh. It has been observed that departments are not following the guidelines scrupulously. Hence, the aforesaid transfer of posting policy guidelines are reiterated for strict compliance of all departments. Further, it is hereby clarified that in terms of the guidelines of reference under a normal tenure of posting for all categories of officers and staff is 2 years. So it's reiterated in 2021 again. So I have already completed my normal tenure of posting at Loyang. That is more 2 years, 8 months. So I've been posted in a new place as a regular DVO which was vacant by virtue of superannuation of the earlier incumbent. So I have joined and I'm resumed my charges, duties. So suddenly,
Private respondent has handed charge, you have taken.
no.
You have taken over charge.
No, it is yet to, he has yet to be released and I have also been yet to be released.
You
No.
were referring to one,
No,
handing,
it was
taking charge?
it was the earlier order. That is page number, my first transfer order. That is,
Oh, this is your first transfer order.
no, there are 2 transfer orders by which I have been transferred from Loyang to Pasigat.
No, I want the letter one.
That is again Pasigat to Loyang. Because I have been retained at Loyang by this impin order, transfer order.
No, before retention, you have already taken charge.
Yes, certificate is there.
That is why I'm asking.
Now I am serving
And
as,
a respondent has handed over charge.
no lordship,
Let us see to this certificate,
certificate.
that certificate.
Page
is a
number
certificate
23.
Of transfer
Page number
charges.
23. It was a vacant post, lordship.
So then what is this? Relieved officer, relieving officer?
Kindly see the relieving officer, Dr. Tagum Tamut.
This is you.
No, this is the earlier incumbent of Pasigat, which was holding the post as in charge DPO.
This Obang Siram.
Obang Siram is the petitioner.
That is why I'm asking you.
I have taken the charge at the letter portion of the annexure 6. Dr. Obang Siram, DVO Pasigat.
That is what I'm asking you. You have now taken charge.
Already.
Arey bhai. That is what I'm asking you.
Already.
You are confusing me. And this is Dr. Tagum Tamut is the private respondent.
No. Dr. Tagum Tamut is the Ojuli Moyong.
Let us see.
That is lordship.
Ojuli Moyong.
Yes, page number 24.
Who is this Ojuli Moyong?
He is posted at Changlang.
Changlang.
Yes. As in charge DVO. He is still in Changlang. He is yet to come.
Then your place of posting pertains to Pasigat.
Yes, from Loyang to Pasigat.
Huh?
And now,
So what is the relevance of Changlang?
no, lordship, Changlang, the private respondent is coming from Changlang now. He is in Changlang still.
Oh, he has been posted
From
at
Changlang?
Pasigat.
Yes, from Changlang in my place. And I have been transferred back to Loyang.
Okay, Mr. Counsel,
Yes,
tell me whether by this certificate of transfer,
yes,
whether you have taken charge
yes. I have
as
taken
DVO Pasigat.
Pasigat, yes. I'm still at Pasigat.
And you are at Pasigat.
Yes. still at
Yes. Who is appearing for the respondent?
My humble this is a notice maybe issue, my lord.
Yes, we are staying.
Uh,
He is still there.
my lord.
So we are staying the impugn order for the time being, of course, for the time being. Considering all these facts which he has taken charge, he has been transferred, he has taken charge. And then after taking charge, even before just within a span of few days,
My lord.
you have again kicked him out. Some decency has to be maintained. Okay,
I was not served with a copy, my lord, so I couldn't take instruction, my lord.
you have not received the copy.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. But then, my lord, a notice may be issue, my lord. And order may pass for giving requisite copy to me, my lord.
I've already,
Now I have received my copy, my lord. I will need one extra copy, my lord.
okay, I will,
Record their names, okay? Record their names. Learned counsel for the petitioner notice. We'll pass order.
obliged.
You record their names, please. Okay, ma'am.
I am for two, my lord. To respond in number two.
Okay. Take down the name. Number 28. Yes, what is this again?
My lord, tender matter. May I?
Where a financial bid open?
Open, but I was also allowed to participate, my lord.
You have participated.
No, my lord, it has not been opened yet. My lord. My
Huh?
bid, my financial bid has not yet been opened, my lord. Now I am challenging the technical bid of the private respondent 7, my lord.
What about the respondent 7?
Respondent 7, my lord, my lord, the firm has serious lapses, my lord.
No,
All the more 6 lapses, my lord.
Whether his technical, financial bid, everything has been opened?
Yes.
Technical bid has been opened. That's why I was earlier rejected, my lord. My
Ah.
technical bid was rejected. So why I could not challenge the technical bid of the private respondent, my lord. Now, after being given entry by this honorable court, I am challenging the technical bid of the private respondent number 7.
This one, in this you are challenging the
Yes, my
technical
lord.
bid.
Yes, my lord. Because, my lord, there has been a case of favoritism and arbitrariness, my lord. And judicial review can be, my lord, invoked, my lord, in this case, my lord. Because there are, my lord, mandatory requirements has been ignored, my lord.
Whether, I'm just asking for my this clarification. Whether financial bid of the private respondent has been opened.
Yes,
It has been opened.
opened.
And you are challenging this this technical bid of the petition.
Technical bid of the petition.
On the ground that there are serious lapses.
Yes, my lord.
Correct.
Yes, my lord.
You have cited out the lapses also.
Yes, yes, my lord.
What is best to be done? Can you give an assurance to this court that no work order will be issued till the next returnable date?
My lord, let me clarify. Earlier, he approached this honorable court, challenging the ground of rejection of his technical bids. So this court have interfered and give him relief, directing the authority to open his financial bid.
Correct.
That relevant point of time, he have not whispered about the ground of the others. Now, after allowing him to directing the authority to open his financial bid, now he is coming with another writ petition.
He is changing goalpost.
The goalpost. Now he cannot keep on approaching this court. This is sheer abuse of the process of the law, my lord. Once court has already given him a relief, it is under process. His financial bid will open, which means thereby that his technical bid has been automatically qualified as per direction of
His
this,
technical bid is qualified, but his financial bid.
by the direction of this court.
What about his financial bid? Does it qualify in the financial bid?
Financial bid, it will open now, is under process. The court direction is that to open his financial bid and to award the work one who get the
LI.
L1. That is the direction of this honorable court. Now, after that order, he is again coming that such and such firm is having such irregularities, such lapses, these lapses, those lapses.
May I satisfy
Can
you?
that be?
Mr. Leonard, you're the standing counsel?
Yes.
For the
RWD.
I think we should dispose of the case once and for all. In the meantime, You instruct the department not to issue the work order.
My lord, his financial bid is under process for opening. And once court have already given him a relief as per his prayer to open his financial bids. Now what else grievances he have now?
My grievance is, my lord, there is an active collusion between the private respondent 7 and the state respondent 1.
He cannot keep on coming like
Because, my
this
lord,
ways, my lord.
in my para 32, in page 32, para number 10, my lord, I've
So,
stated.
so the process to open his financial bid is still on.
Yes,
Is still on.
yes,
And so only after the financial bid is opened,
yes.
the
If financial bid
the
opens,
board will only consider the L1 thereafter.
yes. One who get the L1 will get. If you want to challenge technical bids of the others, he should have approached earlier occasion along with that writ petition. In that writ petition, he have not challenged that.
No, my lord, I had challenged that
We are
because,
issuing notice only,
my lord,
Yes.
because the financial bid, everything has to be
Yes.
still open. Yes,
no, my lord, may I, my lord?
yes, next. We are issuing notice. Your financial bid is yet to be opened.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So why, my lord? I'm challenging the technical bit, my lord.
No, we cannot allow all this,
My lord, at least then subject to outcome of the, my lord, this writ petition, my lord. The technical bit of the
Will issue
private.
notice, will issue notice. Yes, next.
Obliged.
What is this again?
Lordship has seen there is many writ petitions against the MG enterprise schemes. This is one of such a petition, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, I will just draw your Lordship to only 2 documents, Lordship. And Lordship, this is regarding the tender matter for procuring of materials for this MG enterprise scheme of CD block Jamin under Kurumkume district. And there was 2 participants. The petitioner is the L1. Lordship, kindly, Lordship.
No, you are the L1.
No, as per the authority, the respondent number 6 is the L1. But Lordship, there is a calculation mistake. That's it, Lordship. I will just demonstrate these 2 documents only, Lordship. And Lordship will be satisfied how this calculation has been made intentionally. Lordship, may kindly, first of all, Lordship, let me take to you at page number 27. Page number 27, Lordship, is the comparative statement of the bid submitted by me and the private respondent.
Where is that comparative statement?
This is at page number 27.
Page 27.
Page number 27. Yes, Lordship.
No, page number 27.
Has your Lordship got it? Page number 27.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship. The left hand one side
left
is,
hand one side
yes,
is the petitioner.
no, Lordship. This is the respondent.
Left
Pacho
side,
Enterprise.
left side is the respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
And right side is,
Is the petitioners. And Lordship, may kindly see the total amount they have quoted.
quoted for,
Lordship?
quoted for the work.
Yes, Lordship. And here, Lordship, on the left side, MS Pacho Enterprise, he quoted 2,50,41,816 rupees, Lordship. At the bottom, Lordship. And Lordship, may kindly see this, the rate quoted by the petitioner. 2,13,27,346.
Why, Lordship, kindly appreciate, this is the document, Lordship, supplied by the department. As I have applied for RTI to furnish this document. And this is the document prepared by the department only, Lordship. It is not prepared by the petitioner.
Okay.
And Lordship, kindly, may I take you to serial number 9 of this same page, Lordship?
So as per this, page 27,
Yes, Lordship.
what you mean to submit is that you are the L1.
Yes, I am L1. But the board has recommended this respondent number 6 as the L1.
This is a respondent, this Pacho is respondent. number
Respondent,
six.
yes, yes.
But the board.
Yes,
What is that board?
this is a tender evaluating board, Lords.
Tender evaluation board.
Yes, Lords.
The tender evaluation board has declared R6 as
And
L1.
yes, L1 Lords.
Okay.
And Lords, may kindly come to page number 24. Oh, this is the page number. Yes, 24, Lords. This is the board proceeding, mine.
This is the tender board,
Yes, Lords.
tender evaluation board.
Yes, Lords. Here, Lords, only 2 participants were there, as I have submitted. MS Pacho Enterprise and NK Enterprise. NK Enterprise is represented by the petitioner. And the price quoted by both the firm has been reflected here, Lords.
This is 11 December 23.
Yes, Lords.
Yes. Ah,
Now, Lords, this calculation, which I have just shown to your Lordship right now, the recommendation, board recommendation, declaring the R6 to be the L1 is based on miscalculation. Lordship, kindly come to page number 32 again, Lords. Yeah.
32.
Yes, Lords.
What is there?
Serial number 9, Lordship. I would just, there is enability, all these 4 items. What like, I will just press on this serial number 9, Lordship. CIB. Citizen Information Board. It indicates Citizen Information Board.
What is this citizen information board?
And this
Kindly
is
explain.
the hoarding, Lordship, like this signboard and all. That will be this put in different location.
Okay, okay. So this is some sort of hoardings.
Yes, it is sort of hoarding, Lordship, but it will be made of this
Information board.
iron and steel only.
Okay.
Now, Lordship, kindly see how this anomalies has cropped up, Lordship. Here, CIB, Lordship, the prescribed, in fact, the justified rate is prescribed by the department is 7,626.
Agree.
I'll just take to your Lordship this prescribed rate later on, Lordship. Let us, Lordship, first understand how this miscalculation has occurred. CIB number, the quantity that has to be supplied by the firm is 24. And the private respondent has quoted 10,000 for 1 unit. And it comes rupees 10,000. Now, Lordship, here, the miscalculation is thus, Lordship. If, Lordship, the item, number of item to be supplied is 24, and the raw rate per unit is 10,000. then Lordship, the amount will come 2,40,000. But Lordship, kindly see the total now. Here, Lordship, because of the miscalculation, instead of this writing here as 2,40,000, the respondent, he has written 24,000 only. Virtually, literally, Lordship, his tenders ought to have been declared non-responsive because of this mistake. But while computing this Lordship, as I have shown you, your Lordship, the comparative statement, here Lordship, the department has rightly written the right figure. Department has written a 2,40,000 at page number 27 Lordship, whereby my bid has shown to be L1. Serial number 9 again, Lordship, at page number 27. This figure ought to have been 2,40,000. That is correct, Lordship. But this respondent.
So page 27, this is the overall rate quoted by the respondent.
Exactly,
This is the
Lordship.
overall rate. quoted.
Exactly, Lordship. Which, in fact, which has been prepared by the authority, not by neither the respondent nor the petitioner. The firm has nothing to do with preparation of this comparative statement.
Yes.
It is prepared by the department only.
What are your
Now,
impugn orders or
impugn order is Lordship, at page number 64 to 69. No, it is at page number 24, Lordship. I'm very sorry.
64?
Page number 24, Lordship. Page number 24. There are three impugn orders, Lordship. Page number 24. This is the board proceeding minus Lordship. This has been impugned. And thereafter, Lordship.
Impugned, page 24.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh.
And Lordship, there is, after this board minute, Lordship, letter of acceptance, Lordship, at page number 70. It has been issued
Page number?
70, Lordship, 70, Annexure 8. And subsequent to this letter of acceptance, Lordship, agreement was signed by the private respondent firm with the department at page number 71, Lordship. That 11th January 2024. Now, this is, Lordship, my first aspect of submission. Now, the second aspect of my submission is that, Lordship, there is a guiding rules prescribed in the CPW manual, Lordship. Anything which is, there is a variation of 10% will not be accepted. Those tender will not be accepted. No, 19 का नहीं है। 19 का।
Has the work order been issued?
Yes, sir.
Has the work order been issued?
Yes, Lord.
Issued.
Yes, Lord. And the work has been coming. I have.
You challenge the work order? The workers' comments?
Yes.
How can you say this?
Yes, Lordship, Lordship, I may be allowed to this, withdraw this petition.
You are telling us
Because
to cut the leg, but to keep the head alive?
Because we are not aware of this issues of this
You are aware.
work order, Lordship.
Supply order.
Otherwise, Lordship has this, seen the case, Lordship. There is miscalculation, only on the basis of that miscalculation, private respondent number 6 has been awarded, Lordship. That, in fact, Lordship cannot be allowed to be done, Lordship, because this is after all, Lordship, public money, and though L1 ought to have been awarded. By declaring the respondent number 6 as L1, Lordship. Lordship has seen the glaring this anomalies, Lordship. This is their own document, Lordship.
But what about this supply order?
Supplier, Lordship, all that can be, Lordship, this observed inconsequential, Lordship, because the route itself is defective, Lordship. I have projected my case.
This is not under challenge. How can I pass any observation on this? You should have done your homework.
In fact, Lordship, when that work order was issued, we had no idea, Lordship. I do not know when it was issued, Lordship.
It was issued on 10th, letter of acceptance on 10th January. And then supply order on 11. Has it started supplying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No, we cannot.
Lordship, I can understand the difficulty, Lordship. Lordship, then in that case, Lordship, let the notice be issued in this writ petition. I'll come up with this proper application again, Lordship. Because, Lordship, these illegalities, Lordship, I believe, Lordship, I could demonstrate, Lordship. From the pace of the record, Lordship, it is illegal, Lordship. Only because of this miscalculation, Lordship, petitioner has been deprived, Lordship. It should not be allowed to be done by the department, Lordship. As Lordship have observed, Lordship, all the tenders, Lordship, at Kurumkume district, Lordship, it has been put to challenge because there are some nexus in between the authority and the firm whom this award are being awarded, Lordship. This is not the single case, Lordship. All the packages are under challenge before this honorable court, Lordship. At their ruins, Lordship, this honorable court may not be allowed to function the state functionary in that way, Lordship.
My lord, this page 24, my lord, board proceeding minutes from 11 December 2023, my lord. Now it's the month of, this is the month of February. There's a long gap of 2 months, my lord. So there is a considerable delay also. Page 24. In the board proceeding minutes, my lord, private respondent has been declared as L1. Page 24, my lord. 24, yes, my lord. Down below, thus, board recommended to MS Pacho Enterprises was found to be lowest bidder. And MS NK, who is the petitioner, as L2 bidders. My lord. Now, he could have challenged this at very initial stage, my lord.
This was December 2023.
Yes, Lordship, we have been trying to obtain this document, Lordship, as I have submitted in my very beginning of my argument, Lordship, my submission, Lordship. The petitioner had to sought information from RTI, Lordship. As Lordship, they are in collusion. The private respondent and the authorities were in collusion. They were not supplying the document to the petitioner, Lordship.
Every contract is a matter of collusion.
Lordship has seen, Lordship.
Without collusion, there can be no contract.
That is true. That is true. But Lordship,
Pass the order. We are not giving amnesty.
Lordship, notice is being issued.
Yes, no, we will issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. But
Obliged.
Kevi, you take down their names. One. We are on 24. Oh.
May it please your lordship.
A supplementary. Yes.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, already affidavit in opposition has been filed by the respondent. Even the rejoinder affidavit has been filed by the petitioners.
Yes.
Only now thing is that my senior counsel, he is going to argue the case. This matter may be fixed for admission hearing, Your Lordship. This is my prayer, Your Lordship. This is a matter regarding some,
Your good
regarding
name?
servicemen. My good name is A. Bhattacharjee, Your Lordship.
You are not A. Bhattacharjee. Your name.
Yes, my A. Bhattacharjee.
You are A. Bhattacharjee.
Yes, Your Lordship. My
Your senior.
my senior is P.K. Tiwari, sir.
You are A. Bhattacharjee.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. And your senior is?
Senior counsel P.K. Tiwari, who is going to appear for hearing.
For the petitioner.
Petitioner, Your Lordship. So I pray that Your Lordship, this matter may be fixed on 20 of March, Your Lordship. I've taken consent from the respondent.
Okay, ma'am.
Lordship.
Mr. A. Bhattacharjee, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that the learned senior counsel, Mr.
P.K. Tiwari.
So and so, will be arguing the case, and therefore seeks adjournment of the case on
And fixed on 20 March, Your Lordship.
23/20/24, listed accordingly.
Obliged.
Obliged.
None appears for the parties and court. Yes.
Sir, I mean, my lordship, our senior just walked out. I mean, can maybe please be passed over.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, may I play, my lord? Well, in this matter, last time we have taken time to file counter affidavit, but then we could not file it, so some more time may be given, my lord.
Your Esmo,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Mr. Esmo, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed 2 weeks' time to file the rejoinder affidavit.
Your resolution.
Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
But in the, may I play, my lord? In the item number 8, my lord, we are challenging the suspension order, especially. The petitioner is working
Mr.
as,
Katho,
My lord,
where is your affidavit?
my lord, our affidavit is ready, my lord. We'll need to file, my lord, for filing and betting, my lord, 4 weeks time will be granted, my lord.
4 weeks.
oh, will be too long.
My lord, interim protection is there, my
You have interim protection.
lord.
Okay.
My
Mr.
interim protection is not there, my lord, in my petition.
Interim protection is there.
So if interim protection is there, then no issue, my lord. But then interim protection is not there here in
It
this.
is not.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, however, we are under process for, my lord, the recall of the, my lord, order
We
passed.
give you 3 weeks' time.
My lord.
Okay, Mr. M. Katho,
Make sure that they file, my lord.
the learned BSGI submits that the affidavit has been prepared and will be sent for waiting to the authorities.
My lord.
He therefore submits that the matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
My
Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord, our affidavit is ready.
My lord, in this matter, he is appearing, my lord. In fact, my matter is the next one. Sorry, I had.
Okay.
I'm
Item
appearing on behalf of MS Karvak, M Karvak, Your Lordship.
Okay.
9, yeah. Yes, 9 in this, my matter, my lord. Well, in this matter, we are challenging the impugned suspension order passed by the state government. In fact, the petitioner working as a member, state Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, she was suspended. But our challenge is under section, under Article 317 sub clause 2. The suspension can be only done when the reference is sent to the Supreme Court And when the Supreme Court received the reference, then only the state government can suspend. But in this case, suspension was done prior to the reference was received by the Supreme Court under Article 43 of the Supreme Court rules. So this is the only case in this matter, my lord. I'll just take to the order 43 Supreme Court rules.
This is right.
Okay.
Here, my lord, may I pray, my lord, this matter will take it up tomorrow, my lord. Here, my lord, AAG will appear, my lord, Additional Advocate General, my lord.
This is in the admission stage.
Yes, my lord. But
Will
my
the
lord,
prohibition hearing?
yes, my lord, pleadings are complete, my lord.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, listed for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, other party, the Kato also appearing. He also important party. If he filed the affidavit, he has not filed yet the affidavit, my lord.
Okay, listed after 2 weeks. So listed after. No, not for admission hearing. Listed for after 2 weeks. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, listed after 2 weeks. Yes.
May I play, my lord? My lord, here, the service report of the private respondent awaited, my lord. And 1 to 3, they have filed their affidavit. My lord, I may be allowed to take fresh step.
1, 2, and 3 has filed.
Filed, yes, my lord.
Who is 4?
The private respondent. Construction agency.
2021.
Five respondent.
This
Five.
is 2021 case.
Yes, my lord.
And the private respondent
Number 5.
has still not entered appearance.
Yes, my lord.
5.
Yes, my lord. We have taken several steps.
You take steps for service of notice by paper publication.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
After that, if he does not, will pass an order deemed served.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, appears for the and MS so-and-so, learned government advocate.
Yes, sir.
Appears for the state respondents. None appears for the respondent number 5. Office note, stop, new para, office note dated 9/2/2024 shows that service report in respect of respondent number 5 is still awaited. Stop, new para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by paper publication. Prayer is allowed. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by paper publication in any of the 2 local dailies having wide circulation in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, more particularly where the respondent number 5 resides. And shall file affidavit to that effect. Listed on?
After 3 weeks, ma'am.
Listed?
Yes.
Listed after 3 weeks. You file affidavit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stating publication of the notice.
After publication.
Yes.
All right.
Mayor,
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, the office note dated 9/2/2024 reflects that the service upon respondent number 5 is still awaited. Your Lordship. So let this matter may be listed after 3 weeks. Moreover, the state respondent have not filed their counter affidavit.
I'm appearing for state respondent 3 and 4. Lordship, I need some more time to file affidavit.
Who is for 1 and 2? Will you not be appearing, ma'am, for 1 and 2?
One and 2, Lordship, it's land department.
Then-
Standing council is there.
Standing council.
Yes, Your Lordship, Dugmar Kanda.
I'm so and so. The learned government advocate. 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Priority allowed, listed after 2 weeks. Stop. Office note dated 9/2/2024 states that service report in respect of respondent number 5 was still awaited.
Obliged.
My lord, I'm on behalf of Harsh Sonar. So here we are withdrawing our petition, my lord.
You are the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
You were supposed to file rejoinder affidavit.
Yes, my lord, but we have just received the instruction that the petitioner doesn't want to continue the case, my lord.
This,
Yes,
you're the learned counsel for the petitioner.
petitioner is
Your good name?
B. Nyarus, my lord. I'm here on behalf of our Sonar.
No. This is item 31, 30.
30 and 31, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel. Appears on behalf of Mr. Rajesh Sonar, the learned standing counsel, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And submits that. The learned counsel for the petitioner has instructions. To withdraw the writ petition. The writ petition accordingly stands disposed. So this is for 30 and 31.
Yes, attended.
Same order?
Same order.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May it please, my lord, this is pertaining to my interlocutory application, praying for my lord. Stay and suspend the impugn order, my lord, passed by the learned. Respondent number 1.
This is item
33.
My lord, at number 33, my lord. 33. The 34, my lord, moving this matter first time on a motion, my lord, that they have made up interim prayer also. That was not considered matter, actually. It was declined, my lord. Although the order is not reflected, the notice was issued. My lord, it's a termination.
no interim order means impliedly not
My lord,
granted.
my lord,
Well, that was there already considered because there's a rampant illegal appointment has been done. Even fictitious appointment has been. That is against which the SIC is investigating into the matter, madam. The large scale rampant corruptions going on, madam. And this is the part of that scandal, my lord. The more than 250 the illegal appointment has been done, and against with them, some of them now more than 40 cases, 45 cases they have filed before this one, pending before this one. Similar nature, madam. No interim order has been granted till down, madam. Any of the case, madam. So since it is the case, madam, they have filed, madam. Otherwise, it has their prayer has already been covered in the writ petition, madam. So may I pray, madam?
Let us not pass any adverse order against you. Let this application be heard along with the.
Merit, my lord. That is.
Let me submit first, my lord. I accept the submission made by learned friend. But however, my lord, the contrary to my record, the petitioners initially appointed as a contingency staff. Thereafter, my lord, ad hoc, serially, and thereafter, my lord, as a MTS, that is multitask staff. So since 2007, they're continuing in their service, and the respondent number has issued the order in a illegal manner. As this is the order. Annexure 1.
You are asking for reinstatement or what?
Man,
What is your prayer in the idea? What is your prayer in the idea?
My prayer is that stay order, stay suspension of order.
Reinstatement, madam. They are praying for
The question
reinstatement.
is, Madam, there is violation of Article 14.
You are talking the illegality committed by the
Respondent.
authorities.
Respondent.
What about your illegal appointment? Let us first come to that.
Madam, as per illegality they have alleged, I will show the my documentary evidence, madam.
In the writ petition, you file your affidavit in the.
My lord, I'll 3 weeks time, my lord. I'll within 3 weeks of
My
file.
lord, one thing, madam, very small submission, madam.
Let me not dispose this application
No, no,
by
I'm
rejecting.
not, madam. Madam, as per the annexure, page number 42, madam.
Mr.
41.
Leonard Counsel, I have understood your case.
Madam, there are more than.
You are
100
actually like asking for a stay.
Madam,
Correct.
madam, there are hundreds.
To reinstate you.
Madam, I'm just for your kind of information, madam.
It's like telling me to revive a dead man.
Madam, it depends on the madam, case to case, madam. And the respondent number 1 has.
Case to case will be on merit.
So question is, my lord, there are hundreds of my lord, employees.
You are there?
My lord, I'm standing counsel for education department.
Mr. So-and-so, Leonard standing counsel for the education department. 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, list the report. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, I on behalf of respondent leading counsel Subokayang, sir, due to some medical emergency, he is not unable to attend.
You are mentioning on behalf of?
Leading counsel, private respondent Subokayang.
No, your 22, the name of the counsel for the private respondent is not reflected in the cause.
Yes, Koyang.
S. Koyang is here.
Yes, this is item 22. S. Koyang.
Lordship, may I please beg for the next date on the 20th of this February?
Mr. So-and-so. Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. S. Koyang, the Learned Counsel for the said sole respondents, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
So let it be in the month of March because 20th February is holiday.
20. Oh, okay.
Well, we have not given any date. We have listed up to 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Much obliged.
My plate, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this matter relates to land acquisitions by ITBP. And we have challenged the order passed by Deputy Commissioner. In this matter, my lord, the CGC is appearing this matter. Seems that they wanted to take a time.
My lord,
CGC.
I'm
Sir.
on behalf of,
Kato.
M. Koto.
M. Kato.
Yes, my lord. My senior instructed me to take time.
He is very slippery. Huh? We find him in the court, but when his cases are called, he is very slippery. Tell Mr. Kato that the judge has given this remark. He is very slippery. Okay, what is your prayer?
2 week time again.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, the learned DSJ, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly.
Obliged.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
Over. What is this? Because this